Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we'll discuss about fuzzy proposition. Now, in Cripps logic, the truth values of propositions or predicates are true or false. So definitely that is true valued. It is 0 or 1. Now, in fuzzy logic, the truth values are multi-valued. That is in between 0 to 1. Okay, so any value between 0 and 1, both inclusive. Now, for example, absolutely true, partly true, very false, partly false, absolutely false, and so on. Now, what is fuzzy proposition? A fuzzy proposition is a statement which acquires a fuzzy truth value. So, what is proposition? It's a statement. Okay. So, using capital character, we can use to represent the fuzzy proposition. Say P is a fuzzy proposition, and TP is a truth value attached to the fuzzy proposition, and A is a fuzzy set value for the proposition P. So we'll discuss one by one. So we can represent like this way: TP is equal to mu AX. So P is what? Fuzzy proposition. T is what? Truth value of the fuzzy proposition. That is nothing but a fuzzy value mu AX. And definitely mu AX should be in between 0 to 1. And where A is a fuzzy set value for the proposition P. Now mu AX is nothing but fuzzy membership value associated with the fuzzy set A for proposition P. Now you can see example, say fuzzy proposition P, it's a statement. So Muralidharan is a great bowler. So the TP should be 0.8 for example if P is partly true, or TP should be 1 if P is absolutely true. Okay, so this is nothing but a membership value 0.81 and so on. So for example, very hot. So this summer is very hot. So Q is what? Nothing but a symbol of the fuzzy proposition. This summer is very hot. He is very honest. It's a statement, and we can represent using the symbol, say capital R bar. Now fuzzy connectives. So fuzzy logic uses 5 different connectives as follows. So negation. So we represent the symbol like this way or this way. So P bar or not P. So the membership value should be what? 1 minus TP. Disjunction, it is what? It is or. So P or Q. So P and Q are what? Fuzzy proposition. So to get the value of this particular, we have to take the max of these two truth value. Next, conjunction. So it is a and. So P and Q. So associated membership value is what? Associated truth value is what? It is minimum in between these two truth values. Implication, P implies Q. So we represent like this way, not P or Q. So not P means what? 1 minus the value, and to get the or we use the max. Equality is what? Symbol is what? This one is the symbol. So P equal to Q, or P implies Q and Q implies P. So true if both values are same. If both values are same, then P is equal to 2, it's a true, or false otherwise. And to get the truth value, we use this particular formula 1 minus mod TP minus TQ. And definitely all the P and Q are the fuzzy proposition, and TP and TQ are their truth values respectively. Now you can see example. Let the values are, the truth values of A, B, C are, A, B are 0, 0.8 and 1. Okay, so anything, it must be in between 0, 0.8 and 1. So how to get this one? Say if A and B are 0, 0, if A and B are 0, 0 and 0.8, 0 and 1, 0.8, 0, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 1, 1, 0, 1.8 and 1 on 1. Because here you use fuzzy proposition, so definitely the value should be in between 0 and 1. Okay, so these are the fuzzy proposition values, truth values. Now if we apply the AND, that means what? For AND we have to take the minimum of this. So 0, 0 minimum 0, 0, 0.8 minimum 0, 0, 1 minimum 0, 0.8 0 minimum 0, 0.8 0.8 minimum 0.8, 0.8 1 minimum 0.8, 1 0 minimum 0, 1.8 minimum 0.8, 1 1 minimum 0.8. So this is what AND operation between two fuzzy proposition. So we can write like this way also. Say capital A bar and capital B bar to represent the fuzzy proposition. Similarly, or in between these two, so you have to take the maximum value of these two value. So 0 0 maximum 0, 0 0.8 maximum 0.8, 0 1 maximum 1, 0.80 maximum 0.8, and so on. 1 1 maximum 1. Similarly, not A. So not A means what? So not A means the complement of A. So 1 minus TA. So 1 minus 0, it is 1. Okay, all three zeros are all 1. 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, and so on. So this is what? A implies B. So A implies B. So to get A implies B, we have to apply this particular formula 1 minus TA comma TB, and we have to take the maximum value in between these two. So 1 minus TA. So 1 minus T is what? 1 minus TA is, that means nothing but the complement of the A. So complement of the A means what? This one. Okay. And we have to take the maximum between this value and the B. So if you compare these two, and 0 and 1, maximum is what? 1. 0.8, 1, maximum 1. 1 1 maximum 1, 0.2 maximum 0.2, 0.8 0.2 maximum 0.8, 1.2 maximum 1, 0 0 and 0 maximum 0, 0.8 and 0 maximum 0.8, 1 and 0 maximum 1. So this is nothing but our A implies B. Similarly, A equal to B, we have to apply this particular formula. So 1 minus TP minus TQ, or that means this minus this. So 1 minus 0 minus 0, definitely 1. 1 minus 0.8. So 1 minus 0 point is what? 0.8. 1 minus 0.8 is what? 0.2. Are you getting this one? Say the formula is what? This one. So 1 minus TP. What is TP? It is 0 minus TQ. TQ is 0.8. So 1 minus, it is what? Minus 0.8 mod. So 1 minus, it is a mod value, hence 0.8. It is what? 0.2. So definitely the answer is what? 0.2. Are you getting this one? Similarly, you can check this one. So 1 minus, similarly we can check another example. 1 minus 0.8, 1 minus 0.8. So 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2. It is 1.8. So that's why it is 0.8. Okay. So some more examples. Say another proposition, Ratan is good. Okay. So the truth value is what? 0.8, 0.9. So P is the symbol of the fuzzy proposition. Raju is good. So TQ is what? 0.7. Q is a fuzzy proposition. So these two are the statements. These are fuzzy propositions. So if Ratan, now Ratan is not good. How to get this one? So here you can see the use of all and or not, so on. Okay. So Ratan is good is what? 0.9. Ratan is not good. So that means what? You have to take the complement. So 1 minus TP is what? 1 minus 0.9, that is what? 0.9, 0.1. Ratan is good and so is Raju. So here you have to apply the AND operation. So we have to take the Ratan is good, so as Raju. Okay, so we have to take the AND in between P and Q. So here you have to take the minimum value in between. So minimum of 0.9 and 0.7. That is 0.7 is the answer. Now the next is either Ratan or Raju is good. So here we apply the OR. OR means we have to apply the max operation. So the truth value of OR operation is what? Max in between these two. So max in between 0.9 and 0.7. So 0.9 will be the answer. Next is if Ratan is good, then so is Raju. Here we have to apply fuzzy implication. So P implies Q. So here definitely we have to apply this particular formula, max in between 1 minus TP comma TQ. So TP is what? 0.9. So 1 minus 0.9 is what? 0.1. And here TQ is what? 0.7. We have to take the max in between these two values, that is 0.7. So if the fuzzy proposition is this, if Ratan is good, then so is Raju, the truth value will be what? 0.7. You can see another example, say example 3. Here we can say it's a continuous membership values are there. So it is a good, better and the best. So good is left open, right, best is right open, and better is the, it is closed. So these are the some scores are there, say efficiency scores. So Ratan's score is say 75 and Raju's score is 50. And if you want to know the truth value, so how to get the truth value? So if the, here you can see the Ratan's score is what? It is 75. That means what? It is somewhere here. So associated, this truth value is what? It is 0.6. Let it is 0.6. And if it cuts in best, it is, say for example, it is 0.3. Okay, so the truth value inside the fuzzy value better. Okay, so all are fuzzy values for fuzzy sets. So better, best and good. The fuzzy proposition is what? Ratan is better. Now these fuzzy propositions, if the fuzzy set is good, the associated fuzzy value is what? It is 0. Now if the fuzzy set is better, associated fuzzy value will be what? It is 0.6. And if the fuzzy set is best, associated fuzzy value is what? Truth value is what? It is 0.3. Okay, similarly Raju is better. So Raju is better. So fuzzy proposition is what? Raju is better. So if the fuzzy set is good, then we can see here Raju's value is what? It is 35. So it is cut better here. It is 0.7. Okay, so it is 0.7. And here if the fuzzy set is good, then it cuts here. It is say 0.25. Okay, and if the fuzzy set is best, then definitely there is no cut with the best, so definitely the value should be 0. Okay, so that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.